Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Salesforce to sync with Slack notifications. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Salesforce login page. Enter your Salesforce credentials and log into your account. In the top right corner, click on the gear icon to access the setup menu. In the quick find box on the left, type App Manager and select it from the drop-down. Once in the App Manager, locate the New Connected App button and click it. Fill out the required fields, such as the connected app name and API name. For the contact email, enter your business email address to receive notifications. Scroll down to the API section and check the box for Enable OAuth settings. In the callback URL field, input the URL. Next, select the OAuth scopes that you want to allow, such as access to full access and perform requests on your behalf. Save the connected app settings and wait. Once saved, you will see the consumer key and consumer secret appear on the app details page. Open Slack in a new tab and navigate to the app directory. Search for the Salesforce app and click on it to begin the installation process. Click the Install button and allow Slack to access your Salesforce account. During the authorization process, provide the Salesforce consumer key and consumer secret when prompted. You may need to grant specific permissions for notifications. Finalize the integration by customizing the notification settings according to your preferences. Once completed, test the integration by creating a task in Salesforce to see if a notification appears in Slack. If successful, you have successfully authorized Salesforce to sync with Slack notifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.